Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe the channel, watch the videos and participate with competitive world. Hello viewers, welcome again to my channel. Today we will discuss the past episode of Physics MCQ. First question: the working principle of a washing machine is reverse osmosis, diffusion, centrifugation, dialysis. Answer C. Centrifugation. Centrifugation is a separation process which uses the action of centrifugal force to promote accelerate settling of particles in a solid liquid mixture. Next, nuclear size are expressed in a unit named Fermi, angstrom, Newton, Tesla. Answer A. Fermi. Nuclear size are expressed in a unit called Fermi, which is a unit of length equal to 10 to 15 meter or 1 fathometer. Next, the speed of light will be minimum while passing through water, vacuum, air, glass. Answer D. Glass. Next, which of the following is not a vector quantity? Speed, velocity, torque, displacement. Answer A. Speed. A vector quantity is a quantity which has both magnitude and direction. Hence, the given option speed is a scalar quantity but not the vector quantity. Next, the most suitable unit for expressing nuclear radius is micro, nanometer, Fermi, angstrom. Answer C. Fermi. Next, which of the following is not the unit of time? Parallelistic second, microsecond, leap year, solar day. Answer A. Parallelistic second. Next, a solid ball of metal has a spherical cavity inside it. When the ball is heated, the volume of the cavity will increase, decrease, remain unaffected, have its shape changed. Answer A. Increased. The metal ball can be considered to be made up of several layers of thinner ones. On heating, each of these layers will increase in radius. Next, the purpose of chalk in tubelight is induce high voltage, induce low resistance, induce high resistance, induce low voltage. Answer A. Induce high voltage. When the switch is on in a tubelight, chalk is nothing but a coil which is used to induce the high voltage across it. Next, temperature can be expressed as derived quantity in terms of any of the following: length and mass, mass and time, length, mass and time in term of none. Answer D. In term of none. Next, two electric bulbs marked 25 watt 220 volt and 100 watt 220 volt are connected in a series to a 440 volt supply. Which of the bulb will fuse? 25 watt, both, 100 watt, neither. Answer A. 25 watt. The voltage of 440 volt divides in such a way that voltage across 25 watt bulb will be more than 220 volt. hence 25-watt bulb will fuse. Next, an air bubble in water will act like a convex lens, convex mirror, concave lens, concave mirror. Answer C. Concave lens. The lens which have at least one inward curved surface is a convex lens. Next, brightness of bulb depends on voltage or current. Current, voltage, both A and B, none. Answer C. Both A and B. Brightness of bulb depends on both voltage and current. The brightness depends on power. Next, raindrop acquire spherical shape due to viscosity, surface tension, friction, elasticity. Answer B. Surface tension. The surface tension is the skin of a body of water that makes the molecules stick together. Next, it is more difficult to walk on ice than on a concrete road because there is very little friction between the ice and feet, freezing it. Ice is soft when compared to concrete. There is more friction between the ice and fire. None of this. Answer A. There is very little friction between the ice and feet pressing it. Next, air pressure is usually highest when the air is warm and moist, cool and dry, warm and dry, cool and moist. Answer D. Cool and moist. Both warmth and moisture reduce the density of air and hence its pressure is high. Next, the basic reason for the extraordinary sparkle of suitably cut diamond is that it has oil-dependent clavage planes. It has a very high transparency. It has a very high refractive index. It is very hard. Answer C. It has very high refractive index. Next, sound following a flash of lightning is called stoning, bolting, thunder, cloud clash. Answer C. Thunder. The sound following the flash of lightning is because of thunder. Next, optical fiber works on the principle of scattering, interference, total internal reflection, refraction. Answer C. Total internal reflection. Optical fiber work on the principle of total internal reflection. Next, when a bottle of perfume is opened in the corner of a room, the smell spreads soon throughout the room. This is an example of surface tension, capillarity, viscosity, diffusion. Answer D. Diffusion. Diffusion is the spreading, mixing of a gases through molecular motion. Next, the rate of change of linear momentum of a body falling freely under gravity is equal to its kinetic energy, weight, potential energy, impulse. Answer B, weight. Rate of change of impulse equals the force. In case of freely falling body, the only force is the weight. Next, a bucket of water is hung from a spring balance. A piece of iron is suspended in the water without touching the side or touching the bottom of the bucket. The reading of the spring balance will increase, will decrease, does not change, varies with the increase of depth of the impression of the iron piece. Answer A, will increase. When the pieces of iron is lowered into the water level in the bucket is increased. Therefore, the spring balance reading increase. Next, skating on ice is possible because the surface of ice is smooth, ice is cold, the pressure on the ice due to skate melt the ice by lowering its melting point, forming a thin film of water. The pressure on the ice due to stake raise its melting point. Answer C, the pressure on the ice due to stake melt the ice by lowering its melting point, forming a thin film of water. Next, a periscope work by the principle of total internal reflection, refraction, diffraction, reflection and refraction. Answer A, total internal reflection. A periscope is an optical instrument that uses a system of prism lenses or mirrors to reflect image through a tube. Next, no current will flow between two charged bodies if they have the same resistance, charge, potential, charge or potential ratio. Answer C, potential. An electric charge always flow from a body at higher potential to body at lower potential, irrespective of the amount of the charges contained in them. Next, the minimum number of non-zero, non-collinear vector required to produce a zero vector is 3, 2, 4, 1. Answer A, 3. Next, pieces of camphor placed on water move about rapidly. This is because of diffusion, viscosity, surface tension, capillarity. Answer C, surface tension. The camphor slowly dissolves in the water, lowering the later surface tension in the immediate neighborhood. Next, mirage is an example of reflection of light and refraction of light, dispersion of light, total internal reflection, reflection of light and total internal reflection of light. Answer D, refraction of light and total internal reflection of light. Next, ultrasonic waves are used for stirring liquid solution because they do not produce noise during the operation. are easy to produce, can produce perfectly homogeneous solution, do not produce chemical reaction in the solution. Answer C, can produce perfectly homogeneous solution. Next, if lift is going up with acceleration, the apparent weight of a body is maybe more or less than true weight, more than true weight, less than true weight, equal to the true weight. Answer B, more than true weight. Next, which is best used as a sound absorbing material in partition walls? Stone chips, steel, glass wool, glass pieces. Answer C, glass wool. Material that do not transfer mechanical energy oil, these tend to be soft, flexible, low density and with high surface area to liner area ratios. So parents, thank you again to stay with us, and a cordial request to everyone still now who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell button for our future notification. Thank you all.